Travel Smart, 10 insider tips to explore San Francisco for under $1,000. Travel Smart, 10 insider tips to explore San Francisco for under $1,000. Book flights midweek for the best standby deals. Use credit card points to cover flights, hotels, or dining. Travel light to avoid baggage fees and move faster. Use public transit like Muni and BART to save on transportation. Stay in budget-friendly neighborhoods like the Mission District or Richmond. Eat at local favorites like La Taqueria, Mission, open daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. 4. Affordable, authentic Mexican. Visit free attractions like Golden Gate Park, Fisherman's Wharf, and the Cable Car Museum, open daily 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Check Groupon or local deal sites for discounts on tours and activities. Walk or bike across the Golden Gate Bridge for stunning views at no cost. Plan visits to museums on free or discounted days, such as the De Young Museum. Free first Tuesday of each month, open 9:30 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. Budget-friendly places to visit and eat. 1. Golden Gate Park, free, open daily 5 a.m. to 12 a.m., great for picnics and walking. 2. Ferry Building Marketplace, open daily 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., affordable food stalls and local shops. 3. Mission District Murals, free, accessible anytime, explore vibrant street art. 4. Boudin Bakery Cafe, open daily 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., famous for sour. Chinatown, explore markets and affordable eateries like Good Mong Kok Bakery. Open daily 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. 6. Crissy Field, free, open daily 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7. Alamo Square Park, free, open daily 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., iconic painted ladies. 8. Japantown, shops and affordable sushi spots like Marufuku Ramen, open daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9. Coit Tower, $10 entry, open daily 10 a.m. The Slanted Door, Ferry Building, affordable modern Vietnamese, open daily 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Disclaimer: business hours and policies may change without notice. Always check the official websites or call ahead to confirm current timings and availability before planning your visit. We built our digital businesses, New Beginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com. Thanks, and God bless you.